Get smart and follow these affiliate marketing tips. The allure of the supposed simplicity of affiliate marketing draws a lot of entrepreneurs to it as a potential income stream. However, the ship does not sail smoothly on its own if it isn't guided out of port with deft navigation. Read on into this video for some tips and tricks you can use to find and keep wind in your affiliate marketing sales. Make sure to allow for time to work on your site, especially early on. All affiliate marketers have a goal of owning a work-free site, but getting there takes time. In the beginning, spend some time developing your graphics, updating your design, and doing some research. You'll see a better payoff in the end. If you are depending on affiliate marketing for your full or even part-time income, good time management is essential. It's easy to get caught up in researching your product or even in watching your email. Track what you do each day and how long it takes you to complete each of your tasks, so that you can see how your earnings break down compared to the time you're spending. Keyword tracking software can greatly enhance the effectiveness of affiliate marketing programs. Such software lets webmasters see which pages on their websites are visited by surfers looking for particular keywords. With this information, a website owner can tailor such pages to direct his or her visitors to affiliates that offer the products or services that will interest them most. Trying to be a super affiliate may be a mistake for many affiliate program members. Ambitious affiliates take on too much workload, push too many widgets, and just overextend themselves to the point of breaking. It is good to note there is no limit when it comes to what can be achieved. Do what is best for yourself, and if that means a gradual but steady growth, then all that is needed is a sincere effort on your part. If you want your affiliate marketing efforts to pay off at the highest amount, you should be seen as providing helpful information. Most people recognize ads and do not want to visit a page that is nothing but advertising. But if you put out regular information about a subject they are interested in, they are more likely to click through the ads. Once the ship of affiliate marketing has set sail, course changes to a good heading are time-consuming. It's best to plot the right heading from the beginning for good winds to flow in. Keep the advice in this video in mind in your affiliate marketing efforts, and notice how much easier things are for you. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.